maybe 2 orders of pierogies. 2 orders of cabbage roll, 2 pierogi, 2 schnitzel, 2 of everything. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. 2 pay. Yeah, because I'm paying this home. Hi. You ready? Okay. I want 2 of everything. So I want 2 cabbage rolls, 2 pierogies, well, 1 sausage, 2 schnitzel, and 2 potato pancakes. One sausage, yeah. Two servings of pierogi. The cheddar cheese, yeah, potato cheddar cheese, yeah. All right, we're in Roncesvalles neighborhood Polish Festival. I'm here at the old school, like grade 7 and 8 school, Fern Public School. And I'm going to start off with the box that's on top, which is the schnitzel and potato pancake. Here we are. That's good. I love it. I'm going to taste a little bit of everything because it got a lot. I got extra to take home. Take a bite. Take a bite. So good. Next box. Perogies. 8 in an order for $6. That's good. Whoa, almost. There we go. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. So good. Just heavenly. It's just soft and pillowy and comfort food for me. They are well made. This is so good. Oh, cabbage rolls and sausage is next. I know that. How it looks. Again, I'll show you. I'm not. It's wait, yeah, because it's made well. They've been there forever, and I've never shopped there when I lived in this neighborhood. When I grew up in this neighborhood. Strange. Sausage. I don't think they make the sausage. sure, but so good. But this would be good anytime for breakfast with your eggs, lunch, dinner. Very good. Not salty. Perfect. That's good, eh? You know what? A nice crusty bun. Good. Okay, next box. Cabbage rolls. So, I thought there would be like a tomato sauce to go with this, but so that's the cabbage roll. Almost tempted to get another sausage. Or even just buy the sausage and make it at home. Like freeze it. So it's a different, the cabbage roll looks different. That's good. It's different than what I've had in the past. It's good. Health, is it cabbage healthy? I guess, right? All this good. Yum. So Roncesvalles Polish Festival every year, usually around September 16th or so, in there, the weekend of that. Yeah, so come on down every September. It's happening here. Roncesvalles, Polish neighborhood.